In this video, we're going to be talking about basic inventory unit calculations. You will need to know some basic calculations when you're dealing with inventory. We're going to focus on units in this video. So we need to be able to calculate available for sale, ending inventory, and units sold. When we talk about dollars, our units sold will be cost of goods sold. But we're not going to be talking about dollars now. We're only talking about units. So let's go through an example I think that will help show it. Let's start with calculating inventory available for sale in units. Say we're selling phones. We start with 3 phones in beginning inventory and we purchase 2 more phones during the period. How many phones are available for sale? To get the total number of phones that were available for sale, we add the beginning inventory of 3 phones to the purchased 2 phones, so we had a total of 5 phones available for sale in the period. Next up, we'll look at ending inventory. Let's say we had 3 phones in beginning inventory and purchased 2 more phones, so we had 5 phones available for sale. If we sold 1 phone, then we would have 4 phones left in ending inventory. So far, so good, right? This makes sense. We can arrange the terms we've used so far into the basic above inventory calculations. Beginning inventory plus purchases equals available for sale minus the number of units sold gives us our ending inventory. This is the basic set of equations that will be used in inventory accounting. The equations above work for both units and costs. If we're talking about cost of goods sold is substituted where we have number of units sold. We can also calculate the number of units sold if we know the beginning inventory, number purchased, and ending inventory. If we started with 3 phones in inventory and purchased 2 more phones, we had a total of 5 available. If we have 4 phones left in ending inventory, then we know that we have sold 1 phone. To recap, here are the basic formulas we will be using in inventory accounting. Beginning inventory plus purchases minus ending inventory will equal the number of units sold or cost of goods sold. Beginning inventory plus purchases minus number of units sold or cost of goods sold will equal ending inventory. Beginning inventory plus purchases will always equal ending inventory plus cost of goods sold. Okay, that's it. We're done. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Wendy Tietz. Have a great day.